Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best air quality monitors for home 2025. Number 1. BLUEAIR Purifiers. Experience a new level of clean air with an advanced purifier engineered to deliver faster, quieter, and smarter performance for your home. Designed with proprietary HEPA silent dual filtration technology, it captures at least 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.1 microns, including dust, pollen, mold, pet dander, smoke, and even certain viruses. A built-in carbon filter also helps reduce light household odors from cooking, pets, and smoking, leaving your space fresher and more comfortable. Quiet Mark certified, this purifier operates at just 23 to 53 dB, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or offices where peace and clean air matter most. With powerful coverage, it can clean up to 3,048 square feet in 60 minutes, 1,524 square feet in 30 minutes, or 635 square feet in about 12.5 minutes on high. Smarter features include app connectivity, customizable scheduling, real-time air quality monitoring, clean air ETA, geofencing, and Alexa voice control. Easy to use with an intuitive LED display, pollution sensors, AQI indicator, and simple 2-button design. It's built for modern living. ENERGY STAR Most Efficient certified, it consumes less energy while delivering more clean air. Independently tested for performance and safety, it's a reliable choice for healthier indoor air. Number 2. BLUEAIR Kitchen. Breathe easier with a high-performance purifier designed to deliver cleaner air, faster, quieter, and smarter than ever before. Powered by proprietary HEPA silent dual filtration technology, it removes at least 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.1 microns, capturing common allergens like dust, pollen, mold spores, pet dander, and smoke. An integrated carbon filter also reduces light household odors from cooking, pets, and smoking, creating a fresher and more comfortable environment. Quiet Mark certified, it operates at just 23 to 50 dB, making it ideal for bedrooms, living spaces, and offices where low noise matters. With impressive coverage, it cleans up to 1,858 square feet in 60 minutes, 929 square feet in 30 minutes, or 387 square feet in just 12.5 minutes on high. Smarter features include app connectivity for scheduling, air quality monitoring, clean air ETA, geofencing, and accurate filter tracking, plus Alexa voice control for hands-free use. A simple 2-button design with intuitive display, 5-color AQI indicator, auto mode, night mode, brightness adjustment, and child lock makes it easy to use. Independently tested for safety and performance, ENERGY STAR Most Efficient certified, and verified ozone-free, it delivers powerful purification with energy efficiency you can trust. Number 3. PuroAir Purifier. Enjoy fresher, cleaner air in minutes with a powerful purifier built to handle large spaces with ease. Designed to cover up to 1,000 square feet in just 1 hour, it's proven through independent lab testing to filter pollutants commonly found in your home's air, helping you breathe cleaner and feel healthier every day. Equipped with an advanced 3-stage filtration system, it combines a durable pre-filter, a high-efficiency HEPA filter, and an activated carbon layer to remove up to 99.9% of airborne particles. From dust, pollen, pet dander, and smoke to volatile organic compounds, VOCs, it captures pollutants as much as 700 times smaller than a human hair. Scientifically backed and tested in certified laboratories, it has been shown to ease allergy symptoms, reduce airborne irritants, and even improve sleep quality. With certifications from CARB, ETL, ISO, UL, and ENERGY STAR, it delivers trustworthy performance and energy-efficient operation. A built-in smart particle sensor continuously monitors air quality and automatically adjusts power when pollutants are detected, so you can set it and forget it. Quiet sleep mode ensures undisturbed rest, making it perfect for bedrooms and living spaces where clean air matters most. Number 4. VEWIOR Fragrance. Bring fresh, healthy air into your home with a high-performance purifier designed for large rooms and whole home coverage. Featuring a 3-stage HEPA filtration system with 99.97% efficiency for particles as small as 0.3 microns, it captures wildfire smoke, pollen, pet dander, dust, and household odors with ease. The 360 degrees air intake maximizes airflow, delivering powerful purification for spaces up to 1,600 square feet and helping support cleaner air for better respiratory health. With 3 adjustable fan speeds, you can tailor performance to your needs, while the built-in aromatherapy pad allows you to add essential oils for a calming, spa-like atmosphere. Sleep mode reduces noise to near-silent 15 dB and disables indicator lights, while an optional warm night light provides extra comfort and safety for children and seniors. Convenient features include a 2/4/6/8-hour timer, child lock, and filter replacement reminder that alerts you after 1,440 hours of use to ensure peak performance. Energy Star certified for cost-efficient operation and CARB certified for safety, this purifier delivers powerful, reliable, and whisper-quiet performance. With durable design and comprehensive filtration, it's an ideal solution for families seeking cleaner, fresher air every day. Number 5. Amazon Smart Home Quality. Take control of your indoor environment with a smart device that helps you understand and improve the air you breathe every day. Designed to monitor and track key air quality factors, it measures particulate matter, PM2.5, volatile organic compounds, VOCs, carbon monoxide, CO, humidity, and temperature, giving you a clear picture of what's circulating in your home. A simple color-coded LED indicator provides at-a-glance feedback, while the companion Alexa app delivers an easy-to-read air quality score with more detailed insights anytime you need them. Stay informed with instant notifications on your phone or announcements through Echo devices whenever poor air quality is detected, so you can act quickly to protect your household. For added convenience, you can create Alexa routines that automatically adjust compatible devices like air purifiers, dehumidifiers, or fans based on real-time air quality changes. The built-in temperature sensor also integrates seamlessly with the Amazon Smart Thermostat, helping you maintain a more comfortable living environment throughout your home. Compact, intuitive, and packed with smart features, this device is an effortless way to stay connected to your indoor air quality and enhance your overall well-being. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.